Hi there guys, and welcome to Creative Cakes by Sharon. Today I'm making a Kawaii Strawberry cake, so let's get straight into it. I'm dividing an 8-inch cake so that I can add some fluffy Swiss meringue buttercream filling to the center, and once I've popped the top back on, I'm going to carve out a nice plump strawberry shape. I'll neaten off the top of the cake a little bit so it's more even and round off the side of the cake as well. Now back to the frosting, and I'm going to add a nice generous layer here. You can add as little or as much as you like, just making sure to smooth it out as best you can before moving to the fondant. I've got some nice deep red fondant that I'm using to cover the cake. Once the fondant is nice and smooth and I've trimmed off some of the excess fondant, I'm going to use the back of this knife to gently tuck in the fondant nice and tight at the bottom and then trim away the remaining excess. I'm using turquoise instead of green to cut out the stem of this strawberry, and because this is a cute little kawaii strawberry, I'm going to cut out a little flower for her. I want the flower to sit nice and flat on top, so I'll cut away some of the stem so that once I stick both pieces onto the cake, the flower sits in place perfectly with the stem. I'm going to add some movement to the petals and the stem by lifting them up so they're not just stuck down flat. Of course, no kawaii face is complete without two big adorable eyes, which I'm adding using some circles cut from black and white fondant. And being a strawberry, of course, she needs a few little seeds, and to finish off, a tiny little smile. Guys, I hope you love this cute little kawaii strawberry cake as much as I do. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my videos, and join me next week for another creative cake tutorial. I'll see you next time, and thanks for watching.